Dumela maboko ga ke re mogelesegele via it's a girl Dineo Car and this is CMTV. Niyathembana. And of course I give ke one ke tsamale Mr. D Dlamini. 2026 we got you girl, we got you boy. Bona go monate we make sure gore batho ba ratana. This year all we want is just to attend weddings, right? That's what we're aiming for this year. You know what it is, ladies and gentlemen? Tell them and see what's happening. I'm sure there are certain people loving each other right now at this beautiful wedding. I can and see what's happening. Dumela maboko ga ke re mogelesegele via it's a girl Dineo Car and this is CMTV my skat kemo. Niyathembana na. Lante ba ka couple teaching phones my skat. Na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole. A re tsamaye mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening. Ntshala morago and see.
And wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibambe izivuke. Ndzayimela mina lona.
Indaba yaziwenzakalani?
Lobani lokusendela amabele.
Ari ngutwe phela.
It's not what you think, man. Khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years into
Bathi,
akithola pisha ke mna.
I need to get a new TikTok account. Mine is gone.
What happened to the old one?
Mine is gone. I forgot the password and everything.
Sure.
I tried. People need to start showing love.
Oh, gay couple.
Here's the new couple. Here's the new couple of 2025. Homo nati, ho amechiwa maiskate. Homo. Hello? Hello. Dumelang sanibona ne goye moro. Hello, bare anda. Hello, ninjani? Right. Le bua eng Setswana seZulu seXhosa? Zulu. What other languages do you guys speak besides Zulu?
No, it's peace.
Nakhuluma nje Zulu.
Yeah.
My name is Dineo. What's your name, sister? Zandile. Usuka phi Zandile?
Sigamsinga.
Msinga. What is that?
KZN.
KZN. Can I be in the middle, my brother? You don't mind? Can I stand here?
Okay.
Oh yeah, kupa ema mone. You don't mind speaking to cameras, mus?
Aye.
Akumnandi go lapha.
I'm
Usuka KZN. Wakabani? Usibongo.
I'm Kiz.
Kiss. Kiss, I've got your kid here. Komanati. That's how we open the year. When Wakabani, Baba.
Oh, it's taller.
Was tall, eh?
Yeah, man.
I know it's tall. Once broke my heart. Hey. I once broke my heart, that one. When I go to Moy River, because I know Mstole is from Moy River.
Newcastle.
Newcastle.
Yeah.
Lingama.
Matati. Bongani.
Bongani.
Yeah.
You see, these names are now around me now. I miss me shopti. Ngamana bantu ba right. Yeah, bon.
Yeah, my cousin N1 too.
Yeah, my KZNs.
Yeah.
What's special about KZN? Except for stuff that I think mnanyazas. Imnandi ngani.
I need this ning.
Ne?
I need this ning.
Culture kone raw and rich.
Ay. It's rich culture.
Now Java so good.
Hey, I'm happy to
That's how they dance. Now Java can jump. So we are guitar straight. But you know this one, right?
Yeah, go.
Yeah. Now I learned how. Louis Okuthiwa kwaSul. Attack. Maybe then.
See this Katami.
Usiqathame. Hayi kumnandi man. I'm from the show called CMTV yabona. We like talking to people laba thandanayo. La thandana ngithi. Ne? How long have you guys been dating for?
6 months.
6 months. Hi bo. 6 months.
Yeah.
I think today in my life in I've been seeing people that 6 months. How's the 6 months going?
I said it was cool.
Kumnandi.
I don't know.
Yeah. Well, are you guys planning on, going forward? Tell me, is it wrong to once you kalok jolo muntu and then you start staying together?
Asihlali sonke siyabizithana nje.
But go wrong.
Manje ukhipha inkomo uqala phuphuhlane nomuntu belalobole.
Oh, you are that strict Zulu ne? La egolu hlala kuphi?
Oh, I'm sorry, hostel.
Hostel. Hostel kuphi?
Oh, cheap.
GP.
Yeah.
Now uhlala hostel. Amai. You guys are typical Zulus. Hi guys, I'm typical Tswana. These are typical Zulus. So I'm coming from a show called Niyathembana nane. Sifuna ukubona nje ukuthi niyathembana musne. Yeah. Niyathembana ke sister. Yeah, let's see man mujima and phones we exchanging for 60 seconds. You're born 1 minute. Angithi vele zidlulile lapha esikoleni.
So ngoba kuwama-camera so kuzoba njani?
Kuzoba kanjani? Change angithi 60 seconds fast uyabona. Fast 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah, uzothola something. If akho umuntu ochitayo la, awuchita ngithi. Awuchita ngithi bafu. If akho umuntu ufuna ama chocolate, uzothenga manje. Uyabona lo buthi uyagijima. Ula, ile type vele. Ukena strat. So exchange iphone for 60 seconds vele uthola ama chocolate akho. Wena ngisho ukuthi awujoli wena. Noma afo ngisho ukuthi anijoli so kusho ukuthi uzothola ama chocolate. Ufuna anjani?
I-top deck.
Top deck, yeah. Phone. Let's see my brad. It's phone. Homonanti, guys. Homonanti. I love people. Lava bangasugulisi ngama phone. I love your spouse. Ooh. How old are you, my sister?
Me? Oh, maybe it's 1 month.
You, how old are you?
23.
Oh. I wait for now. This is what I call power. You know power? I feel like in a little EFF, ANC, and ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zinel Karo, CMTV, Nyatembanana, Maiskati. There's nothing that feels good like than Hotwara riding. But I get power. Get Karoka power. Rosapa di high star tomone.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's like a funagaban. It's like a funagaban.
Kala noma ngaba.
Yeah, yaga mom.
Meyami papa.
Ladies first. Ow, Damini. Kala mamela baba. Yes. Oh, password yakhe kala. Oh, you don't know the password. I mean, ngiyagena efonini yamuntu wami mina. Okay, ngicela uye eWhatsApp. Hamuthi WhatsApp. Okay. Uthi nikhuluma isiZulu ngakhuluma nithepa ngithi ngibona.
Uyakhuluma isiZulu.
Oh, kamangeba.
Okay.
I love you ngiyakuthanda. Angithi ngiyakuthanda. Khona mhlawumbe ungithandayo.
Akekho. Ngisho.
Usha?
Sure.
Usha, right. Okay. Nakubona, usha. Okay, awu baba Sithole. Mas-check lo futhi sithi ngiyakhumbula as I miss you angithi.
Yes.
Ngiyafika siyacaca isiZulu zami. Sisi bami. Ubani lo ngimisayo ubuthi sis umkhisi. Ngiyamkhumbula. Ubani umkhisi? Ubani lo?
Lutho, uJobe lo.
Oh, ayikho inkinga nebafu. Okay. Phumela ngaphandle, come outside. Angithi,
Yes.
come outside. Must teach me. Phumela ngaphandle. Sis. Okay. Uyayidlala iFacebook?
Yes.
Uyayidlala. Ngena lapho iFacebook. uWhatsApp wakho ngathi ayinabantu abaningi. Ngena Facebook. They don't message you people. Ngicela utype lento le efika engqondweni yakho lapho bafu. eFacebook. Abrajesh, they don't Facebook you. Next. Oh. Okay. Awuqhubeka kancane. Uzenzelani? What are you gonna do for your man for Valentine? Uzomthengelani?
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. Naye akumelanga ukuthi angeke.
Surprise.
Uzomsurprise.
Yes.
Wena uzothengelani umuntu wakho?
Hayi, ngiyamkhuluma surprise.
Uzomsurprise.
Ngizamkhipha.
Okay. Ningayenza abantwana. Ningasheshi. Okay sis. Hayi. Shokuthi right. Ufila kanjani ukuthi umuntu wakho akachithi?
Hayi ngijabula kakhulu.
Kumnandi ngempela ha.
Akumnandi.
Hayi. Sisingene ngefonini yakho ikhona into ufuna ukuyisho mfethu.
Hayi kubonga nje ukuthi hayi angitholanga lutho kubi.
Wena ikhona into ufuna ukuyisho mhlawumbe uyashitha.
Hayi mina ayashithi.
Singilande ifoni yakho bafo. Sayilande ifoni yakho. Sisithi nawe uyayazi ipassword yakhe?
No.
Angifakele lapho bafu. Akushubi ke manje. Semanje singena efonini ake nsese. Awudlali iWhatsApp lapho. Sayidlala iWhatsApp. Nawe uyayidlala mfazi. Hayi sayidlala iWhatsApp. Ngena uthi ki ngiyadlala. Uthi ngiyakukhumbula. Khona umuntu mhlawumbe umthandayo kakhulu. Baby mama mhlambe. Wena uwedwa nje. Hawu. Uthi ngiyakuthanda, I love you in Sizulu. How he will send it to you? You have kids. Unabantwana. Next. All right.
Still hear me?
Okay. Uthi is sexy.
Sexy?
Yeah. Sexy, try sexy. Try sex. Mhlambe the friends group abakusendela izinto snacks.
Karabo?
Nzima. See. Karabo mfethu.
Hayi sebenza naye. Sebenza naye.
Manje
Nisebenza ngesex.
Yes. I see this thing.
Mfethu sokhuluma ngema dog style manje. Mfethu yazi dog sex.
See this story baby, see this story.
cha ngiyabuza nisebenza ngesex mina nethu.
Hali sidu usenzile sifike.
Mjwayela kabi.
Hey wena.
Hayi mjwayela kabi.
Hey wait.
Kabi.
Hey.
Awuxola.
Usebenza ngesex wena but masingene sithi nuthi. Are shebe darling. Masi buke nuthi. Uthi uthanda dog sex.
Hayi.
Dog style. Hayi mfethu.
Hayi sorry babe, sorry. Askisi bengathandi.
Nawe umntwana kanjani 6 months wena mesikatike man. Uyaphi?
Umjwayela kabi wena.
Ungalwani. Uthi bangwenyeno. Ungalwani. Ungalwani. Lwana wife
Awukhulume naye.
Ngiyakhuluma vele nawe wayuchita. Mistake my brother. My
mistake. Chithi soyamudesa ngomzimba nento encane engaka.
ha. Aruna lento enyane.
Uqala nini uyibona leyo?
Athi yo. Ase angazi.
Bekwatile.
Ngoba kwatile manje. Phela nawe uthatha dog sex, sex style.
Ayizothini?
I-dog style.
Life injalo.
Injalo ne. Kusho ukuthi awumthandi lo mntana plus umncane. Umntana ne. Sasamanzi la.
Ngimthanda.
Ekela umntana man uzogulisa umntana ngengqondo futhi ne Grootman.
Yeah.
Usikele wena ke ngibona wena Grootman usikele. Okay jabu ungayenze kanjalo.
Okay.
Hawu.
So isolve izinto.
No, ulanda intanga zakho mhlawumbe uzochata this year. Awe. Sharp. My name is Dineo Karen, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we finish the show, CMTV. And this is Niatembwana Grootman. I just noticed that you're just making it's an excuse for Ngwana fella. He doesn't. That's what happens most of the time, guys. If you're dating someone older, they sometimes look at you like, Ubwang, because you don't make sense. My name is Dineo Karen. This is Mr. D Lams and the whole crew. Yeah, CMTV, we love you. See you again on another episode. Bye. Dumela maboko ga ikirlo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dineo Karen and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni athembana na lantse ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strating re ba kene nsi gore what's happening ntshela morago nsi
And wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibambe izivuke. Ndzayimela mina lo nto.
Indaba yazenzakalani?
Lobani lokusendela amabali.
ari ngutwe phela
It's not what you think, man. Khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years into
bathi
okunayo.
Nakitla akitla pisha ke monna.